that big, beautiful official building. Starting to like this city a little bit. While we're up here, we're coming to look at a couple more, and that one right back there. We're on 17th Street in Harrisburg. Let's go take a tour. All right, so we are on 17th Street, listing agent. So this is it right here. Mortar work looks great. I got a little chip and peel and paint on the front there. Nothing crazy. Good fence. Mortar work looks great on this side of the house. Let's go look on the inside. Check this thing out. We got new floors, we got new windows, a new kitchen, new lighting, new smoke detectors. This place is mint. Check out this kitchen. We got a little sunroom back here. So obviously we got a little yard cleanup here to do, but the back we got some wood rots just on some of the eaves, like right here, up here, a little bit back here. Most of the stuff is wrapped. We got new gutters, we got a new roof. All the mortar work looks good. Fence is in pretty good shape. We got a little bit of lean right there.